going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. The New World Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. We had the first quarter event. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget this is Shemitah year. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And as I'm doing this video, we're pulling back. But guys, we saw the yields get pushed down yesterday, and we moved up slightly. We saw the Fed repo move back a little. But if the repo stays at around $2 trillion, and then also we can get these yields to stay where they're at, we'll be moving back up. Now we have Guggenheim projects $8,000 for Bitcoin. Do I think that we're going to move that low? I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But I do not see us moving down that low just because we have plenty of products surrounding Bitcoin. And remember, the Fed is trying to land us safe in the 4th Industrial Revolution. So we already know the plan behind this. Yes, this economy, the global economy, is going to take a beating, but we know what's going to be at the end. Now, with the Hegelian dialectic, we have JP Morgan says that Bitcoin can rise 28%. In my opinion, I think the bottom is about 16K to 20K. The Fed is shrinking the liquidity and trying to price in these rate hikes. But guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates, we have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. And then plus we have the Fed. Right now, the repo is at about 1.9 trillion. And we know the Fed is going to be raising rates in June and July. So guys, we're still going to be getting these pumps and dumps. And then we have Grayscale at about $25.6 billion. And we see they've been quiet. And we know they've been moving lockstep with the Fed, so make sure you're paying attention to the actual allocations. Now let's get over into a little crypto news. We have Mercado Bitcoin partners with Stellar to create Brazilian CBDC. And we know Stellar has been quiet working behind the curtain, but we know they're going to be big in the emerging market. Now we have a couple exchanges show initial support to Terra revival by listing a new Luna token. And guys, we know this is all part of the movie. Terra could have simply burned in order to save the original project. Now we have Solaris Bank helps Binance to become regulated in Germany. And when it comes to the US, we got kicked off of Binance.com a long time ago. And that was all part of a bigger strategy. A lot of these exchanges that we got kicked off a long time ago were offering great yields. They did not want Americans to have that. Now, guys, we're seeing hundreds and hundreds of billions of dollars coming into the space. Now we have stock where nets $100 million as investors bank on Layer 2 success. And we know Ethereum 2.0 is right around the corner. Scaling is very important, and ZK rollups are going to play a big, important role. Now we have Cbdc'S blockchain from Singapore raised $58 million, reducing minimum private investment sizes via tokenization and fractionalization. And we know about stocks. We know about bonds. There's going to be real estate. Everything is going to be tokenized and then also going to be fractionalized. And then we have Andreessen, my guy, another billion-dollar fund. $4.5 billion for crypto and blockchain startups. Also, Fidelity Bitcoin Index Fund surpasses $125 million in investment. And then lastly, we have the NFL taps mythical games for first play to earn venture. And this will be an NFT game. But guys, we know gaming is going to get the millennials and Generation Z inside the metaverse. NFTs are nothing but digital IDs and tokenized goods. But it's all an illusion. Remember, guys, your life is an illusion and TV is your reality. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher Stock Channel. Cryptoteacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home getting home stocks, the C-Word, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends. So therefore, we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York. From COVID 33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.